Alright guys, welcome back to the channel here at Speedhaus. Today we're going to go over some of the things we've done since the last video on the channel of Fruit Loop, the E90 car. That's big single and all that nice stuff. So we've done a whole lot of carbon fiber in the interior. We've done a bunch of honeycomb carbon from the dash panels to the doors to the e-brake. If you can name it, we've replaced every panel in this car with honeycomb carbon fiber. So the next piece of the puzzle that just got here today was the carbon fiber steering wheel. So today we're going to do a complete on how to do a steering wheel replacement, from pulling the airbag out, all the trim on the airbag and the steering wheel. So let's get started with how to change out a steering wheel. Told y'all step by step, so by golly, y'all gonna get it. So you're gonna take your battery cover off after you pop your trunk. Here's your battery. Mine's a mess because I have so much electrical aftermarket crap hooked to my car, so don't worry about that. Yours will not look like this. Your 10 mil connection will be right here. Here's your negative terminal. Take your 10 mil, loosen it up, pull your terminal, slide it over like I have it. So you don't want the battery hitting, you don't want, your airbag to come off, explode in your face. So, give you the rundown. There's a little hole right there. A little indentation. It'll be kind of hard to see in your car if you've never taken your airbag off. But you're going to come in here about like that. See that angle I'm at? Slightly down from level with the steering wheel. And you'll push. See how I got spring loaded there? You'll be coming straight, basically straight in. Not like at a crazy angle, basically straight in. Have a little spring there. And what you're looking at, here's my driver, see it? A little spring I'm pushing on. Those hook into these right here. That's how your airbag stays in. So when you do it, it's going to be tricky. You're going to pop one side in. As you're trying to do this side, the steering wheel is going to try to go click in the other way. It's hard. Just hold on to the steering wheel. Try not to click one side in after you try to do this side. It's kind of a pain in the butt, but that's where your springs are at. Then you're going to take a little flathead. Here's little connections here. You're going to pop them up. See if I can get this one to pop up. Just like that. And then come underneath here and just wiggle it out. And that's how you'll do both of these. Ta-da! Airbag is off. Then you're going to take a 16. I hope it's 16 anyway, so we're going to make it a 16. Impact driver. And that's the bolt for it. Actually got a step ahead of myself here. These two little connections here. A little squeeze tab on top here. Kind of hard to squeeze, but you can get it. Promise. And this one is just one of those you kind of yank on. Ta-da! Comes right out. Now. Ta-da! 16 mil, a 10 mil, a little bitty flathead, and like a 2 T20s, just so you can pry on them springs. And that's how you get the steering wheel off. Yeah, so step number 10 out of 20 will be getting this stuff off. I just need these, my buttons. So let's go to the table and do that. Okay, well, I have the front trim off and this mounting plate off. Okay, how did you do that, Gage? I need to know. Simple. Okay, flip your steering wheel upside down. 3 T20s. You're gonna undo all those. The bolts may not come out, but they'll be loosened up. That'll allow you to pull this off. Now, there's little spots that kind of stick in the rubber on the steering wheel, so just be slowly and just kind of pull them up. It'll pull right off the steering wheel. Now your mounting plate in the middle, or your airbag mounting plate, is held on by 3 T30s. 1, 2, 3. T30 is what they are. Now you'll have a ground wire. See this ground wire right here? It'll be right here. There's a little bitty hole. Okay, that's where your ground wire will be. Don't forget that. It is going to be a T10. Just like that, our mounting plate is out. This is off. We won't need this, but we do need these buttons. How to get to these buttons? Those first 3 T20s you pulled out, 2 of those were part of the mountings for these buttons. The other 2 are right here. So we'll grab our T20. We'll pull them out. I'll have to set the phone down, but you'll get the idea. Okay, so have these off of the old one. Here's the new one, carbon. As you can tell, once you pull these top bolts Whole thing comes off. A little wiring harness that runs around. You just set it back in there real easy. So when I get this screwed all back together, I'm gonna get it back on this on the car. Put it back on so I can drive. Okay, I have the airbag mounting plate back in. I have the 10 mil tight. I do not have the 3 T30s down yet. 10 mil. T10, sorry. T10's tight. Do not forget your ground wire. Now, I have my impact gun again. Stay in there. It's hard to do, guys. All right, the next part that people seem to have a problem with. Just a little green little dot. There's a little notch right in the middle of it, okay? There's a little flat spot at the bottom of the steering wheel. You pretty much want to line all that up. That line, you want to put that line roughly, let's see if I can get all this. A little line on the green dot right in the middle. That little flat spot on your steering wheel. And just kind of get it lined up there. Two-hand it. Just like that. And boom. Our steering wheel is back on. We're going to put it back together just like we took it off. Okay, we're hooked back up. Get her kind of lined up here. This part's the really easy part. Ta-da! New steering wheel is back on. Now, don't forget, after this step, go hook your battery back up, or you won't be able to turn your car on. So what do y'all think? Was the $350 eBay steering wheel from China worth it? Perforated leather, nice stitching, hex carbon fiber, stripes on the wheel, clear coated, fits like OEM. Y'all tell me, was it worth it? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, guys. Please like, subscribe, and comment. If you think it was helpful, let me know. If I missed something you wish I got, let me know too. See you on the next one. Bye.